Good morning guys, welcome to Motovlog number 15. I'm on my way to Gurgaon. We'll meet up with the group at the ambient stall. We'll head on towards KMP, right towards Badli and back home. I'll catch you guys on the way. See you, bye. I have reached the ambient stall. अब यूज़र मैं भी ढूंढ रहा था, मैं समझ नहीं आ रही थी कौन कौन है, बट ये अपने ही लग रहे हैं. So we waited at the toll for about half an hour. The whole entire group is supposed to be here, but there are only a few of us. We tried contacting the others, nobody's answering. Hope everything is okay, but the few of us, handful of us, have decided to move ahead with the ride. So we're going to go ahead. We are not doing KMP. We'll probably hit Manesar toll and take a U-turn and then head for the breakfast venue. So we'll again see you guys once you're riding. Alright, cheers. So we've taken a U-turn from Manesar toll. Everybody's heading towards breakfast and I should be heading back home. This has to have been one of the shortest rides possible. I was absolutely completely in two minds last night. In fact, I slept pretty late thinking that, I'd kind of bunk today's ride. But somehow I couldn't sleep that well. I woke up in the morning at 5 o'clock and I thought that the entire group's going to be here and we're going to have a nice longish ride. I got the drone also in the trunk, thinking that probably I'll fly the drone, but nevertheless it's always good to ride in the morning. We're done with it. Clocked, I think by the time I reach home we would have done about 90 kilometers, which is okay, decent, but this is what it is. I was again thinking that the weather's going to be really warm. But surprisingly, it's been pleasant so far. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and while you're riding, while the wind hits you, it's comfortable. So anyway, good catching up. I'll see if I can stop over at Lodhi Colony again for a photo shoot, find another wall, and take some pictures. We'll probably catch you next weekend. Take care guys. I should close the video once I'm done with Lodhi Colony. Bye. And let's see if I discover something new today. I think I've pretty much covered most of the walls, at least most of the attractive, nice looking walls. Let's see if I can find something different. So guys, I'm done with the photo shoot. This is the wall that I found very interesting. In fact, there's a wall behind me, behind that other block, the first block. But there were already some youngsters doing a little photo shoot there. So I decided to stop here. Anyway, done with it. Now heading back home. Thank you guys for tuning in. Short one again, but we'll catch you next week for sure. Alright guys, take care. Have a good week. Have a great weekend. And I'll see you again. Bye. Cheers.